we're back again with a new reaction.
Guys, we are so excited because we are reacting to Diana, guys. This lady is beautiful. Not just beautiful, she sings awesome. Like, she's so good. When you hear her voice, be like, let me hear the voice. She is really good, guys. So we're going to be reacting to Blizzard by her, guys. You know how it is. We'll talk less over there. We react more. Let's get into this video. Okay. Wow. I love the mode right here. Can't wait to hear this.
Nice.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
Сеет снег.
Белый снег ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Am I really hearing this right now?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Wow. Feel that passion right there. Oh God! Hit that goddamn buzzer!
Please do hit it.
Like, wow.
Our outfit is really good.
Guys, please, you guys pardon me, guys. I respect Diana, guys. Her bravery whenever she sings, she's it's getting serious a little bit. Like, I feel her vibe, guys. You can easily connect with her, guys. This lady is, she's extraordinary, guys. She's really good. A performance like this, guys.
I'll pay millions to come watch this.
At her age,
wow.
Since she's 15 when she was performing this. This is so beautiful, guys. I respect this lady. She's so good.
Wow.
Damn! Like, why is she getting teary? This is beautiful. I feel like crying a little bit.
Yeah. I love her style.
I love the bravery. Drop the mic. Like, you have to win the competition. Like, Diana is incredible, guys. This lady, she performed magic. Like, a singer like this, you hardly see them. Like, she's extraordinary. She's really good. Like, I could not stop smiling, and I was getting teary a little bit when she was performing, guys. I felt that bravery in her. I love the passion she puts in her music. This is beautiful. How was it for you?
I just love her style. I love the fact that at a young age she's already making a name for herself.
Yeah.
And she's doing something different. She's not like everyone else. She's just herself. She's Diana. Like, everything about her is just classic, different, and is amazing. Why doesn't the judges always hit the buzzer for her? Because she's always song she comes to perform, she's always doing it differently. I just enjoy that part about her.
Yeah, so guys, drop down your comment in the comment section, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, share this video as many as you can, guys. You know how it is. We'll see you guys in the next reaction. Make sure you stay safe.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, past that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed.